Hello everyone, this is Gamer Danny here, and welcome back to C++. And today we're going to work with if-else statements. And to start off, we could start by doing it right here. So if, my mouse. If num2 equals 0, this is not assignment, this is checking if whatever's on the left and right are the same. So whatever you put in here, if you do put 0, it's going to go in here. Okay, so if it does equal 0, we could say cout you can't divide by 0. End line. And we could put exit 1. And what exit 1 does, it will forcibly just stop the code. If it doesn't equal 0, it'll go straight to it. And let's give it a try. Let's put 5 and let's put 0. You can't divide by 0. And for those who want to see what happens when you do divide by 0, well, let me show you. First, we could comment this out. Go over here. It crashes. And we could stop that. And now you know you can't divide by 0 in here. Okay, now let's make another little program. Instead of using int, we could use double. And what double does is that it lets you use decimals. Score 1. Double score 2. Double final. And we can make one last one. Double average. And I believe that should work. And in here we could enter the first score. And fix this. Get in here. Instead of putting these end lines, we could just do like this. And fix this one. And score 2. And then we can make another line, cout. Enter the final score. CN final. Okay, we can get rid of this. And now we could do average equals parenthesis score 1 plus score 2 plus final. Divided by, since there are 3 things, you have to divide it by 3. And now we could do, first we could get rid of this. If average is less than or equal to, this is how you do that little check, less than or equal to 100, and these is the AND operator. So whenever you're trying to check, this usually checks when you're trying to look inside the range of what you're entering. So this equals and if average is greater than or equal to 90. Then see out A. Okay. Then to do another check, you could do else if average is less than or equal to 89, and if average is greater than or equal to 80. Then see out B and line. Another else if average is less than or equal to 79, and if average is greater than or equal to 70. Let's see out C. Another else if average is less than or equal to 69, and if average is greater than or equal to 60. See out D and line. Or else, and what else does is think about it as the net at the bottom. If none of these other conditions are met, it'll go straight to else. See out F. And else doesn't need a condition. Okay, now let's run it. Enter the first score. Let's put 87, 89, and then 90. You got a B. Let's give it one more go. This one did really well. They got a 98, 91, and 99. You got an A. This one didn't do so great. 67, 59, and then he did really poorly. It was 21. Got an F. Okay, now you know how to use if-else statements. Next time we could introduce to loops. This is the gamer Danny, and I'll check you guys out later.